Okay, this is not going to be the most optimal situation. My camera is broke. I've ordered a new one. It should be here shortly. Till then, we're going to have to do this on a Windows Movie Maker webcam. Now, the sound on this is terrible. Okay, I get it. So, do the problems on the board, and this is a quiz review, and do the best you can to follow me around. Okay. Alright, so here's the first problem. 7x squared plus 42x equals 0. Okay? So there are two, and by the way, we have kind of this thing here. Okay? There are two terms. Okay? Two terms. So we know how to do two terms. Okay? It's simply make our little GCF box equals 0. Okay. Okay, so I come over here and do the GCF. So GCF. Okay. First off, do I have a negative right there? No, I don't. Okay. I've got x and x. Okay. So, and then we got 7 and 42. So let's do 7. Okay. So 7 divided by 1 is 7. And then nothing else. 7 divided by 2 is a decimal. 7 divided by 3 is a decimal. 4, 5, 6 are decimals. It's just 7. Okay? So let's check out 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. 6. Okay? So I can use 7. 7x is a GCF. So I put 7x. Okay, 7x, and then I divide by 7x. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. X squared divided by x is x. And then 42 divided by 7 is 6. Okay, then x divided by itself cancels. Okay, so that's factor 1 and that's factor 2. Okay. So factor 1, by the way, there's two answers, okay? Okay, so two. So two answers, okay? So 7x can equal 0, or 1x plus 6 can equal 0. Okay? So I box up 7x divided by 7, I get 0. Then I box up 1x, okay? And then minus 6 minus 6, 1x equals negative 6. So negative 6. Okay? Alright. Next problem. Next problem. X to the second power minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. So that's a 1. Okay? That's a 1. So that's three terms. Okay? So there's two answers that I'm trying to figure out. Okay? Okay, so three terms. Okay, so three terms. I'm going to make my T table, and I'm going to take A, B, and C. Okay? So I take A times C. Okay, we'll be taking 1 times 10. Okay? So 1 times 10 is going to be positive 10. So sum, and that sum needs to equal 7. Okay? So sum means we add. Okay? Okay, so I take 10 divided by 1, that's 10. 1 plus 10, not 7, okay? 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 2 and 5 is 7, okay? So there we have it, okay? Okay, so my A, I just make my parentheses, and there's 2x, and then put the 2 and the 5, okay? So we have minus here, so that means we automatically have minus 5, okay? Okay, so minus, we automatically have minus 5, okay? And if I'm finding a sum, the signs are the same, okay? Okay, so signs are the same, okay? So since I was finding a sum, that's minus, so that's got to be minus right there. Okay, so that's factor 1, that's factor number 2, okay? F1, F2, okay? So x minus 2 can equal 0, or x minus 5 can equal 0, okay? So I plus 2, 1x equals 2, so 2 is my first answer, okay? And then I put a 1 plus 5 plus 5, 1x equals 5. So 5 is my second answer, okay? So x equals 2, x equals 5. Okay, our next problem. We've got 7x plus 14 equals 9x plus 14, okay? All right, so here's the deal, okay? Problem with this is we have no second power, okay? Okay? That means there's just one answer, okay? Just one, okay? So, I box up my x's, okay? And then let's minus 9x. Doesn't matter which one we minus, so minus 9x. So 7 minus 9 is negative 2x plus 14 equals, whoops, my bad, I wrote that wrong. Sorry, 24. Okay, so 24. Then I continue, box up negative 2x, I minus 14, so negative 2 times x equals 10, okay? So I divide by negative 2, x is negative 5, so negative 5 is my answer, okay? Okay, next problem. So I've got x to the second power minus 16x minus 36 equals 0. Okay, so we got two answers. And we got our 0, so we have three terms. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, we go to our chart. Okay? Like that. So, A, B, C. So, 1 times negative 30, A times C, it's going to be a 1 times negative 36. Since I got a negative, there's a difference that's going to equal 16. Okay? 1 and 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay? 18 minus 2, and a difference again means we minus. Okay? Difference means we minus. Okay, so since I have those, I've got the two parentheses with x, and then 2 and 18. So I have minus 16, so I have minus 18 for sure, okay? And then the difference means the signs are opposite. So, because it's a difference. Anytime we're doing a difference, the signs are going to be opposite. So that's plus, okay? Okay, so that's factor 1 and that's factor 2. Each one of those can be equal to 0. So, x plus 2 can equal 0, or x minus 18 can equal 0. So I box up 1x plus 18 plus 18, 1x equals 18, okay? So 18 minus 2 minus 2, 1x equals negative 2, so that's negative 2, okay? So 18 and negative 2. Okay, now story problem. Okay, so I've got, okay, feet and seconds as my units. X is seconds, Y is feet, and then my feet per second. Okay, so my feet per second in that problem is 264. Okay, now this goes up, it comes back down. Okay, again, up, down. So it makes something called a parabola, and I'm trying to find where we are at 0 feet. Okay. Okay, so my equation that I'm going to write has to have an x squared in it, okay? So we got gravity, negative 16x to the second power, plus 264x equals y, but that 0 is going to go in for y. Yeah, there's two answers, okay? Answers. There's two terms. So we're going to make our GCF box is how we're going to solve that problem, okay? GCF, you have a negative in front, you have x on both, okay? And then we got 16 and 264, so let's take 16, okay? So 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 3 is a decimal, and then we got double 4. So as soon as I got double factors, that's the end of the list, okay? Give myself some more room, okay? Okay, so 16, okay? 16 divided by 16 is 1, but 264 divided by 16 doesn't work, okay? Let's try 8, okay? 16 divided by 8 is 2. 264 divided by 16 is 33. So that's a winner, negative 16x, okay? Negative 16x, negative 16x, okay? Pull your negative 16x out, okay? And then I divide, okay? Negative 16 divided by negative 16 is 1. X squared divided by x is x, and that's going to be negative 30, wait a second, I screwed up. So, two terms, GCF, okay, negative X, okay, 16 and 260, so you got 16, 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 3 is a decimal, so how about 4 and 4? Okay, so this doesn't work, okay? 264 divided by 16 is a decimal. Now if we try 8, 16 divided by 8 is 2, and 264 divided by 8 is 33, okay? So it's 8, okay? So negative 8x, negative 8x, okay? So I pull negative 8x out, okay? That's going to be 2x and then minus 33, okay? So that's factor number 1 and that's factor number 2, okay? So negative 8x can equal 0 or 2x minus 33 can equal 0, okay? So we box him up, divide by negative 8, and I get 0 for my first answer. Plus 33 plus 33. So 2x equals 33. Okay. Then I divide by 2. 33 divided by 2 is 16.5. Okay. Okay, those are my answers. Okay, it wasn't the most optimal situation, but got it done.